Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Camry has Apple CarPlay capability and your iPhone is updated. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone, enable Siri, and unlock the device. Once done, use the car's touchscreen to open the phone pairing menu and scan for your iPhone. Make sure to accept pairing prompts on both devices. If wireless isn't available, plug a certified Lightning cable into the USB port labeled for smartphone or CarPlay to start immediately. Next, navigate the Camry's infotainment settings to the smartphone or connectivity section and choose Apple CarPlay. You'll see an authorization prompt on the car display and your iPhone. Accept both so the system can exchange permissions and contacts. Once connected, adjust the CarPlay layout and allowed apps so your most used navigation, music, and messaging apps appear first. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is configured how you want it, because CarPlay follows those phone rules for notifications. Finally, verify CarPlay is working by launching Maps, making a call, and playing audio to confirm routing through the car speakers. If the system doesn't connect reliably, disconnect and reconnect the phone, restart the Camry's infotainment, or reboot your iPhone to refresh services. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap to an Apple-certified Lightning cable and inspect the port for lint. Bad cables or dirty ports cause most wired CarPlay failures, so replacing the cable often resolves intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.